Welcome to Love is Crafting.
Love is crafting.
So today we got jingle bells, jingle bells. I'm not gonna sing, but holiday elves.
Yes. If you've been to the Dollar Tree, you've probably seen these cute little elves. But what we are going to do is we are going to customize them so they are gifts.
Yes, so we'll take these dollar store elves and make them personalized so that your friends and family feel special when you bring it as a gift.
So make sure you like,
Comment,
and subscribe.
Love is Crafting.
Love is crafting. In this project, we will be using the Dollar Tree elves and our Cricut. Now, if you don't have a Cricut, don't worry, you can still do this DIY. You'll just need to use some puffy paint to do the customization. And if you have terrible handwriting like me, just use a stencil. It'll still turn out really cute. I've already designed the images that we're going to be putting on the elf in the Cricut design space. And so all we need to do now is weed. We're gonna go ahead and weed our design. It is sometimes easier to leave your cut on the mat so that it doesn't curl up on you. Remember, always start weeding in the corner and pull off the excess. This is iron-on, so we put it on the mat, shiny side down. Because we have a Cricut, we did decide to go ahead and cut out our customization using iron-on. But if you don't have a Cricut, you can still do this DIY. You'll just use puffy paint or some stenciling, or go ahead and use a permanent marker. It'll still turn out really good. Okay, so we have our elf all together, and we are going to be putting on a snowflake, the word daddy, and the year. You want to always make sure when you're pressing anything that you are using some type of mat. You can use a folded up towel if you don't have one. Also, Teflon sheets to cover up your iron-on and place it over the item you're pressing onto. It just makes it easier so that you don't melt your material. I will be using my mini press, and we're gonna get it going. The snowflakes is going to go in the hat, just like that. And we're going to put Daddy right across his chest. And then lastly, we are going to put the year on the foot. So we are going to press these things. When pressing these elves, I did go ahead and hold it down for about 5 to 8 seconds. You really don't need any longer than that. Because all we're doing is customizing these elves, they were really easy and quick to make, and they make the perfect gift. So thanks for watching, and remember, love is crafting.